Hi, boys and girls. Good morning to you. Today, we are going to take another look at the problem that we worked on yesterday, the open response problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now and see how you guys did with that problem. Okay, this is the problem that you guys worked on yesterday, and we're going to take a look at that now and see what you guys did with that. So I am going to draw a line under the most important information and make sure that I have included that in my picture. And then we're going to talk about what words we can put with the pictures as well. So we know that 4 children want to share 5 muffins. Show how they can share the muffins fairly. Fairly is another synonym that you could use along with equally. Equally and fairly mean about the same thing. It says also describe in words how much is in each child's share. So I know that I have 4 children. So here are my 4 children. They're all very happy because they are getting ready to share some muffins. That would make anybody happy. And then here are my 5 muffins that we are going to share with these 4 children. All right. Oh, sorry. Couldn't see that. Here we go. All right. So, like I said yesterday, you are not going to be able to just put one muffin off to the side. You have to use all of them. So I know that there are 4 children and there are 5 muffins. One thing that I can do that's very fair is to go ahead and give one whole muffin to each of the 4 kids. The only one in question then is this last muffin here, and I've got to figure out what to do with it and how I can share it equally with 4 children. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to divide this muffin up into how many parts? Think about how many children there are. 4, you're correct. I need to divide this muffin into 4 equal pieces. So I am going to go ahead and do that. So here is part of the muffin. We've got 1 share. I'll use a different color. We've got 2. We've got 3 pieces. And we've got 4 pieces. Okay, so now that I have my muffin divided into 4 pieces, I have to go ahead and come up with a name that I can say about that. So when we were working with our papers the other day, we noticed that if we have 1 out of 4 pieces, we would say that that is 1/4. You can also write it like this, okay? 1 on top of a 4 is 1/4. Okay, so you can write it with numbers like this, 1/4, or you can write it with words like this, 1/4. This means that each of the 4 pieces that we cut are divided, and it's 1 out of 4 pieces. That's what it means. Each piece is 1 out of 4 pieces total. So if each kid gets 1 whole muffin, and then there's this last one left over, if I divide this muffin into 4 pieces, I can share 1/4 with each of the kids. So each child is going to get 1 whole muffin and 1/4 of a muffin. So this says 1 and 1/4. I don't need to write the word and in between. I read it like this, 1 and 1/4. So the first child gets that much. The second child gets 1 and 1/4 pieces, 1 whole muffin and 1/4 of another piece, 1 whole muffin and 1/4 of the last muffin. So this is the name that we would give to it. If I were to write this out, I would write 1 and 1/4 pieces of muffin. Okay, so 1 whole muffin and 1/4. So your problem should look very similar to this one. I would like to go ahead and look at one more problem with you guys. You may have seen this yesterday. You may not have, but it's another open response question, and I would like to work on that with you guys right now. So this one says, Anna and Sammy want to share 3 muffins. Use the circles below to show how they can share the muffins fairly. There's that word again. Describe in words how much is in each child's share. So again, we've got 2 kids. Anna, here's Anna with an A, and here's Sammy with an S, okay? Anna and Sammy. They're sharing these 3 muffins, right? So we want to share it fairly. Well, there are 2 of them, and there are 3 muffins. So I think we can say that we can go ahead and give 1 muffin each to the kids, 1 whole muffin. That would be the whole muffin, all of it. They don't have to split that up at all. And then there's this last muffin here that we've got in the middle, and we need to share it between 2 kids. Can you think of a way I can divide this muffin to share it between 2 kids? Yep, you're right. All I have to do is divide the muffin into 2 equal pieces because there are 2 kids. So I'm going to draw a line down the middle. If I have 2 pieces and this is one of the pieces, I'm going to write 1 out of 2 pieces, 1 out of 2 pieces. Another way that we can say this fraction is 1/2. We don't say 1 second. I know that there's a pattern of saying second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, but we don't say that when we see the 2 on the bottom. We say 1/2. You can write that in words like this, 1/2. And again, half looks like it says half, but it's not half, it's half. We don't say the L, it's silent. So each kid is going to get 1.5 muffins. So that would look like this, 1 whole muffin and 1/2. 1 whole muffin and half of another one. I would say that those are 2 happy kids if they have 1.5 muffins. What do you think? Yeah. All right, boys and girls. You did a fantastic job on those open response questions, and I am so excited that you guys are learning about fractions. They are so fun, and they are equally as fun to write in numbers and words. You can do both. All right, thanks for listening today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.